Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove special formatting from a column in a table in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly, now I can see remove special formatting. My special formatting is nationality. Is so select your columns and going to the cell shading option and click for the no color option. That is okay. The remove special formatting from a column table is very easily. I hope enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.